This video is presented by Voxpop Marketing Systems. It is an initial installation and assembly guide for your ground mount banner frame for models with extension tracks which accommodate banners 17 feet or longer. This is how your finished banner display should appear after proper installation of the frame. Here are the tools you will need for your installation. You will need a post hole digger, 2 7/16 and 1 9/16 deep socket wrenches or ratchets, and a level. Here is an overview of the parts included with your frame. 2 long sections of channel we call strongbacks, 3 shorter sections of channel we call legs. The center leg has a clevis splice attached at the top, 2 corner braces, a center arm, 2 outside arms that grip the banner, 3 PVC ground sleeves, 3 leveling feet, a fastener bag, stop assembly, tension screw, and lock knob. Finally, we have your dead and live end extension track, and just a note, you will need a measuring tape to set them. Okay, let's get started. First, you're going to attach an outside leg to the strongback using a 3/4 inch machine screw, 2 washers, and a nylon insert lock nut. Slide a washer over the screw and insert it through the 5th hole inward in the strongback and then through the hole at the top of the leg as shown. Place another washer on and then the lock nut. The open channel side of the leg and the strongback should be facing away from each other. Just hand tighten the lock nut for now. Next, attach the corner brace to the strongback using the same 3/4 inch machine screw, washers, and lock nut. Insert through the 6th hole inward in the strongback. Attach the corner brace, washer, and lock nut, and just hand tighten for now. Attach the corner brace to the leg in the same fashion. Again, just hand tighten for now. Next, you're going to tighten all 3 connections with your 2 7/16 inch deep socket wrenches. Be sure to tighten all attachments securely. Repeat this process with the remaining outside leg, the other section of strongback, and the remaining corner brace until you have 2 sections as shown here. Next, attach the center leg to the strongback. Loosen the square and round washer located in the clevis splice and slide the strongback on as shown. Then lift and tighten with a 9/16 inch ratchet very securely. Repeat this process with the other section of strongback, and then lift the frame slightly off the ground and tighten that side again with a 9/16 inch ratchet wrench. This is how your frame should appear at this point. Now it's time to position the frame for your best advertising advantage. When doing so, the open channel side of the horizontal strongback will be the front of the display where the banner will attach. With your frame in place, use the post hole digger to mark a small hole just at the bottom of each leg as shown here. Then, at each hole mark, dig a hole to a depth of about 20 inches. You will need the dirt later on to backfill your holes. Your holes are deep enough when the top of the PVC sleeve is just about at ground level. Next, loosen the square nut on a leveling foot and insert it into the channel in the leg. Slide it up and then retighten to keep it from slipping down when you later on tilt the frame up. Repeat this for the other two legs. Then place a PVC sleeve on the bottom of each leg and position each leg about halfway across the top of the hole as shown here. Now simply tilt the frame up and into the holes. Next, backfill the dirt from each hole around the PVC sleeve. Straighten the leg and distribute the dirt evenly. Then pack it down with the handle side of your post hole digger. Repeat this for the other two legs. You can adjust the level of the frame by raising each leg out of its ground sleeve, and once the strong back is level, tighten the leveling foot against the top of the ground sleeve as shown here. At this point, your ground mount frame should appear as shown here. Now, insert the glide on the back of the center arm into the strong back channel. The arm has a sticker indicating which end is the top. Slide it all the way towards the middle of the frame. Now it is time to attach the extension tracks to your frame. Beginning with the dead end extension track, which is labeled, loosen the bolt on the open channel side of the frame. And then loosen the square washers on the back of the frame so that it can insert into the channel in the strong back as shown here. Do not tighten just yet. Now on the live end side, the live end extension track has a white plastic stop located in it. Do the same thing. Again, do not tighten just yet. Now it is time to adjust and tighten the extension tracks to fit your length banner. Begin by tightening the dead end extension track. Tighten both nuts very securely. Having measured the exact length of your banner, measure from the end of the dead end extension track all the way down to the live end extension track and adjust it so that from end to end it matches your banner length exactly. Then tighten the live end extension track very securely. You are all done. Your frame is now fully installed and ready to perfectly display your banners. To see how to attach a banner to this frame, go to youtube.com/voxpopmarketing and select the video, Installing the Banner, Ground Mount Banner Frames with Extension Tracks. If you have any questions or problems regarding this installation, please call us at 800-3-VOXPOP, where an actual live human will answer the phone and will be happy to help you out.